Ko. Ay, ngari ka di sa katre. Ha? Why are you here in bed? Ha? Why are you here? Why you don't play? Koko, you're going to go out now? Ha? Why you are here? Or hungry na? Gutom ka na? Gutom? Hmm? Shh! Ano yan? Lika. Ko? Halika. Dito. Dito kay Didi, oh. Oh. Ko. Here. Malagaw to, malagaw. Ko. Halika. Koko. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to plaza. Huh? Why you are here? What is that? Koko. We're going to plaza. We're going to the park. Huh? You already think about what is that? Shh. Halika dito. Dito. Here. Beside me. We're going to sleep first. Ko. Oy. Koko. We're going to sleep first. Here. Beside me. Here. Come on. We're going to sleep. Come on. Shh. Ay. Just sleep. Oh. Koko. Shh. Here. Just sleep here. Koko. Oy. Hindi nakikinig What is that? Here. Ko. Ito talaga guys yung kaliligaw niya lang kasi. Hindi makikinig. Ayun na. Alis na. Alis na daw siya. Hindi kasi naikot kanina yan sa park. Hindi kami nakalakad ng maaga. Maaga kasi maaga ko siyang pinaliguan. Tsaka hindi maganda yung panahon ngayon. Umaambon, gustong lumabas. So hindi pwedeng ilabas kasi umaambon. And tingnan nyo ano yung gagawin niya. Tingnan nyo. Kasi pag hindi naman nakalabas, pinipilit talaga niyang buksan yung pintuan. Sige nga, buksan pinto. Open that door. Halika. Ayan, yan. Open that door. Go. Koko. Shh. Up here. We're going to sleep first. Go. Lakat ko. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Koko. Didi will go. Bye-bye. Go. Shh. Ay, bungol. Let's go. Ayan. Tinitingnan ka lang. Let's go. Ayan, tinitingnan ka lang. Let's go. Ayaw maano sa akin Let's go. We're going. Huh? Where are you going? Koko? Okay. I will go first. Koko did not answer me. I will go first. Why are you waiting here? Huh? Why are you waiting back on the door? What's wrong? You're going to out. Jump it. Just open it. Huh? Come on here. Here beside me. Here. Oi. Come on. Here. You're going to out. Here, here. No, no. What is that? What is that? Who's that one? Outside? A cat? Or a rat? Here. Here beside me. Come on. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Binubuksan nyo yung pintuan. Ayan. Yan yung gusto niya eh. Bubuksan niya kung ayaw mong siyang pagbuksan. Open the door. Let me see if you can open that one. Yun guys, failed talaga yung instructions natin kay Coco. Sa pagkakaalam po ng lahat, si Coco po hindi po siya trained dog. Kami lang po yung nagbibigay sa kanya ng mga instructions. Ako, specifically ako po yung nagbibigay ng instructions kasi wala naman po talaga akong kakayanang ipatrain po siya sa expert na nagtitrain ng mga aso. Kaya ako lang kung ano lang yung kaya kong i-inculcate sa kanya, yun lang yung sinusunod niya. So bye bye guys, hopefully na entertain kayo ni Coco. Mega love shout out to all Forcer members and friends who supported me and my only one dog named Coco. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.